Hi, my name's Nadia Velasco, and I'm one of the 2 service and philanthropy interns working with alumni relations. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create braided dog toys using old t-shirts for our Bay to Bay service project partnering with the Linda Kelly Animal Shelter. So the first thing that you want to do, you'll be given 4 strips of t-shirt material. And so you'll take one end and you'll create a knot. And it's okay to leave a little bit of room to cut some fringe later. And you'll want to pull this tighter than you think. So leaving this for decoration, and you'll keep this knot in between your knees for stability. Next, you'll separate the strips of material into a cross pattern, and you take the vertical pieces and pull them in separate directions or opposite directions, and then you'll take what's my right and you'll pull it over and under the material, and you'll do the same thing with the left, weaving it over and under the vertical strips, and then again pulling as tight as you can bring them together. And from here it's quite repetitive actually. So you'll be doing the same thing, pulling the vertical strips into opposite directions, taking the right over and under, and the left strip over and under, pulling as tight as you can go, and repeating that until you reach yourself at a length that is satisfactory. And by the end, you create another knot with a little bit of length left for the fringe, and that is the completed braid.